Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will explore the foundation of object-oriented programming in Kotlin, classes and objects. So let's get started. So first, what is a class? A class in Kotlin is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines properties and functions that represent the behavior and state of an object. For example, you can use a class to represent a car, a person, or any real world entity. So let's see an example here. So here I'm going to create a class of person here. Okay, and in this class I'm going to define some properties of a person. So first is going to be a name of the person, and the second one is going to be a age of a person. And I'm going to assign a value 0 here. Okay, now let's see how can we create a function inside our class. So for that I'm going to use so here I have created a display info function which will print the name and age of this person. Okay, so here person is a class where I have defined two properties of this class, name and age, and I have also created a function which represents the behavior of this class. So now let's see what is an object. So an object is an instance of a class. It is created using the class blueprint, and it contains actual values for its properties and methods. So let's create object of this class here, and I'm going to create this inside a main function. Okay, so here I'm going to create a object of this person class here. Okay, so this is how you can create an object, and I can uh, access the properties of this class through a object here. Okay, so here I can get the name of this class, and I can assign any value to this property as well. Okay, and also I can access the age property, and I can assign a value to this property as well. And same, we can access the function through this object here. Okay, so this is how you can create an object of a class, and you can assign values, or you can access the properties and the functions inside this class here. Now let's talk about primary constructor. So Kotlin allows you to define a constructor directly in the class header to initialize properties more concisely. So let's see how can we do that. So for that I'm going to remove this code. So this is how you can define a constructor directly in the class header, and you can initialize properties as well. So let's change the code here, and here I'm going to assign values to these two properties here, name and age. So let's add the name Alice and age 25. Okay, and then I can access these two properties through this object here. So let's print these two values. And same, we are going to print age as well. And this is how you can access the properties of this class here. So let's run this program to see the output. Okay, so as you can see, it has printed the name and age that we assigned through constructor here. And that is the basics of classes and objects in Kotlin. So play around with this code to get comfortable. So in the next video, we will dive about classes. Hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. So see you in the next one.